Hi, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be baking pizza for the first time. So these are the ingredients I'm using for this. I'm going to list them out in the description box of this video. If you want to check it out, just click on the bottom of the video. You are going to see where I listed the ingredients below it. So guys, my kids love eating pizza, and today I said let me try one and see how it's going to come out. So I love cooking, I love trying new things. As you can see, I'm already adding in the yeast. I'm going to add it in there, mix it up together nicely. So guys, you can also put your yeast in warm water, cover it for 5 minutes, add it on the floor. It's still the same thing. As you can see guys, I'm adding a pinch of salt on it, mix it up nicely, and then I'm adding the oil. You can see water inside the oil. I don't want to put the oil and water separately, so I had to add water on it. And then next, I'll mix it up gently. Remember guys, add water bit by bit so that you won't put too much water on it, because we don't need it to be too soft. I'll mix it up nicely, keep adding water until I get the softness I want from it. Next, I'm going to place it in a flat surface, knead it very well, and then put it back in the bowl, cover it for about 40 to 1 hour, depending on when I'm going to make use of it. Making homemade pizza dough sounds like a lot of work, but it does what it right. I so much enjoy homemade food. The days I'm not working, I spend most of my day in the kitchen. Doing what? I don't know. So guys, I'm just going to apply oil on the top and then cover it for 40 to 1 hour. While you're waiting for the dough to be ready, you can start preparing your toppings if you haven't done that yet. So I'm just going to wrap it with this plastic foil, place a towel on it, and then allow it to rise. So guys, I left it for 1 hour. This is how it looks. Next, I'm going to place it back in the flat surface and then divide it into two. Try to make a circle shape out of one part of it. So guys, if you don't have a pizza tray, you can still do pizza in your home. Just try to make a circle shape out of it and then put it in your baking tray. Then add your toppings and put it in the oven. You will still enjoy it and it's still going to come out nice. But I have a pizza tray. I'm going to put it there and try to, so I'll keep stretching the floor until it covers the tray round. So guys, once this is ready, I think it is time for me to start adding my ketchup and the rest of them. I think this is going to come out nice. So this is my first time doing this. Let's see how it goes. So guys, as you can see, I'm adding my tomato ketchup. Once I'm done doing that, the next thing is to start adding my cheese all around it. Do you know you can preserve it in the freezer if you don't want to bake it straight away? After adding all the toppings, you use a plastic foil to wrap it and put it in the freezer. Whenever you want to have it, you bring it out straight to the oven. Same thing with your cake. If you have a cake, you don't want it to get spoiled, you can put it in the freezer. Your puff puff, your buns, all those things can be put in the freezer. And when you bring it out, it's still going to be very nice. The leftover one, I'm going to do the pepperoni top up on it. So while I was doing this top up, I have already set my oven on just to get it heated. I can see this is going to come out nice. Almost, I can't wait to test it. Once I'm done with the fillings, next I'm going to put it in the oven and then bake it for about 15 minutes. So guys, this is how it looks. It really came out nice and the kids really love it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like this video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up, leave good comments and share. And of course, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And please subscribe and let's become friends, okay? Don't forget to click the bell icon so that you don't miss out whenever I upload a new video. See you all on my next one.